Happy days, good morning. It is Monday. Habibu went to work and I slept a little later, around 10. So, yeah, I just prepared his baon and everything. So, we are back to Al-Ain, back to reality, back to sa bahay ulit, sa mga gawaing bahay. Pero, at least nakapag-recharge and relax ako for the weekend with my friends. And, yeah, tatapos ko lang magkape. And now I am doing laundry. So, yeah, tapos ang next ko na mga ganap is itong mga fish tank na to, yung apat na yan. Kailangan ko silang scrub, linisin yung sa loob niya para maiusog. Kasi this one is really that heavy. May kasama pa siyang mga tubig and sand sa loob. So, para mailipat namin dito sa side na to, which is magulo pa din. Ignore nyo na lang muna. Kasi wala pa talagang organization yung living area namin. Gawa ng the fish tanks are still, ang hirap itulak kasi mabigat siya. But yeah, anyway, I'm doing laundry and all that. Nakainom na ako ng gamot. And today, yung root canal procedure ko. Pero, I just saw it now na yung PCR test ko is 15 days. So, I might go out first before anything else. Magpapa-PCR muna ako. Hindi ko alam kung yung result is makukuha ko agad. But I'm gonna ask my friend kasi may alam siya na 3 hours lang may result na. So, we'll see. Iligpit ko lang ng very slight yung mga bagay-bagay. Ano ba ito? Nakahara. Muntik na matusok yung mata ko. Mga cords, wires, and all that. And, na. So, si baby girl. Baby, you're busy?
Yes.
Aww. Simula nung bumalik, laro na lang siya ng laro. Na-miss niya yata yung mga laruan niya. Si Bebe Boy naman, screen time. Kasi wala siyang screen time nung nandun kami. Although may TV ng very slight, tas pinag-cellphone ko ng konti. Pero apart from that, ma-stay away siya from screen, which is really good. So, yep. Push. Okay, sinabi ng friend ko kung saan. And dito lang pala siya malapit-lapit. So, I just grab the kids quickly. Para may kasama sila, ako. I mean, I cannot leave them kahit malapit lang. Ayaw ni Habibu. So, yeah. Let's go and do PCR. Ang result daw is 3 to 4 hours. So, hopefully, before I go to my 6 p.m. appointment is dumating na agad yung result. Let's see. So, push. Okay, we are back home, babies. It's not that hot, no? Ako lang ba? Or kasi dahil gloomy siya recently. My friend is calling. Wait, I need to charge my phone. Kasi 2% na lang. Inuubos ko na lang sa vlogging. Oh, I forgot. Close the gate, baby boy. Come, baby. It's hot. Ano pa siya? Inaantok yan. So, ayun, nakahanap tuloy tayo ng malapit na drive-thru para hindi na kami umiikot dun sa rugby club area. Push. Yeah, I'm gonna charge my phone first, okay? Okay. Okay, ready na ako. Ito na yung ating palanggana. Tapos, ito yung sinasabi kong lilinisin ko. So, ihuhukayin ko lahat. I mean, i-scoop ko lahat ng sand. Tapos, may bato-bato din pala dyan. Kaya, mabigat siya. Tapos, may tubig pa. So, this is my struggle for today. Ito mga to, kailangan din i-scrub. Look at those. OMG. Ako lahat. Reklamo na naman to. Pero, dahil recharge tayo. Sige na lang. Okay, may nasira ako. May nabagsak ako, this one. Diba? Nabawasan yung ngipin niya. Grabe siya. Anyways, ito pa lang yung nai-scoop ko. It's kind of heavy already, so malayo-layo pa tayo. Ito yung layer ng tatanggalin ko. Mukha lang siyang konti, pero apakadami niyan. So, yeah, good luck. Bon chance. Ito din, baka ito yung pinaka-light niya na mahaba. So, I'm just gonna throw these pieces outside. Maglalagay lang ako ng espasyo kasi para hindi tayo makahassle ng bongga. Ayan, para dire-diretso ang ating work. So, I'll get back to you, babies. Tapusin ko lang to. I mean, update ko na lang kayo kung matatapos ko siya, pero for sure, halfway lang. So, I'm almost done. The bottom part is the hardest part, but yeah, you can come, Bebe Boy, you should. Si Bebe Boy na pinag-vlog ko. See? Come inside. Can you see that? Yeah, di ba may mga rust siya dito, pero it can be removed. It's just that I need a lot of patience and napakahirap. Ito na lang yung nagawa ko. The others, I will like continue it tomorrow. Kasi ilang oras ko na itong ginagawa. And when I'm done, papakita ko na lang sa inyo. Ayan. Please, ayan, good afternoon. Gloomy pa din. I mean, kanina umaraw ng very slight pero gloomy pa rin sa labas. But anyway, it's almost 5 and napatulog ko si Bebe ko. Kaya ngayon, continue cleaning ako sa floor. Nagmamap ako ngayon. And, yeah. Pinapauwi ko si Habibu ng maaga. Kasi ayokong isama na si Bebe Girl because she just left. And ako na lang pupunta mag-isa. Bebe Boy, can you help me? I mean, or can you throw the trash, please? Okay. Thank you, Be. So, ayan. I don't know, they're in the box. Nililinis ko yung mga tulo-tulo ko kanina. And this is the aquarium already. Meron siyang mga stain pa doon. Pero I will ask Habibu if I need like deep scrubbing. Kasi magagalit siya kapag ka nagasgasan. Kasi diba ano to? Ang tag doon yung kind of glass. I forgot how it's called. Pero ito lang kasi yung ginagamit ko. Oh my gosh. Go back to bed, be. Come. Nagising ang baby girl. Put love. You want to wee first? No? Okay, come on. Kuya is throwing the trash. Sige na. Nagising ang bata. Go back to bed, my love. Banana. Kiss mama. Baby's Habibu is home. He went inside already. And I have 25 minutes before my root canal. I'm so scared. OMG. I feel really bad that I have to go through it over and over again. I think it's my second time though, but the experience is the worst. So, yeah. And Habibu is teasing me. Naiinis ako. Ay, anyways, I'm ready. I just wear shirt to be too comfortable and jeans. I'm wearing my nakita ko naglilinis ako and I saw this band that I haven't seen for a long time. It's maroon. So, may maroon din akong tali and maroon din yung sandals ko para matchy-matchy. I'm wearing a black bag. So, yeah, anyway. I started sorting naman yung mga ukay stuff ko. So, by tomorrow, hopefully, maiayos ko sila and makapag-live ako tomorrow. Inshallah. Kasi alam nyo naman, weak ko pagdating sa ngipin. So, sana ma-survive ko itong gabing to, tsaka bukas. Kasi, syempre, anesthesia. Anesthesia is real. Hindi na ako nag-makeup, nag-lipstick, or naglagay ng kahit ano-ano dyan. Just want to be simple for today. Anyway, eto din. Medyo maroon-ish din siya, diba? So, maroon baby ulit yarn. Anyway, let's go! On Neva. Please, I'm done. So, what happened is that the doctor still couldn't find the 4th canal. So, he proceeded with the 3 canals. He filled that in. And just in case, if ever in the future, I hope not, it's gonna cause me some extra pain, then I have to go back to him and he's gonna try to find the 4th canal which is missing, and he will cure that one differently. So he needs to open it again, or he has to cut the side of the gums to cure it. And I was like, oh my god, I'm done with this procedure. But yeah, and also next Wednesday I'm gonna be I have a meeting with Dr. Abdurrahman. I feel like Tabrisi has been my weekly date out by myself, like me time already. OMG, why do I have to go through through all these things anyway. After that, when the doctor in charge of the jaw will be back from his or her vacation, he's gonna check my jaw as well. So yeah, I am suffering from lockjaw from time to time, and I don't know what they will do with that, but if I open my mouth, the doctor noticed it, that he asked me to close my mouth. I couldn't. It takes time before I'll be able to close it. It's not painful. Sometimes it does have a slight pain and a click, but yeah, I'm kind of ignoring it, and he said it's kind of serious. So oh my gosh, I hope it's not. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end this vlog, babies, because I wanted to rest with all the medication that I'm going through. I'm gonna end I'm gonna end the day for now. I will get back to you tomorrow. So good night, and I love you so much. I think it's 6:42, but yeah, it's still bright. But I'm gonna say good night. So love you so much, babies. Mwah! Shout out pala kay Ate 1B. Subscribe mo ko. Thanks for watching.